Hey there, I think this is Fred. So I'm riding the B10 here, and I just wanted to show you it's after work here, and we got a different battery in the bike. We had a discussion, and I think there was some language confusion about batteries and bikes. I had pulled a battery off of the Bentelli fat tire bike and put it on this bike to send you on your way, assuming that the Bentelli batteries are interchangeable, and they should be, but there's more information on it. I am now riding the bike, and I've already made a trip here, and you can see what's happening. There's nothing wrong with the bike. There's nothing wrong with the this battery at all. There is something wrong with the original battery, and that's another story. A couple of things here. We're going to move down to level 2. So you can hear the motor. This car passes. You can hear the motor, and you can see my legs are working. And you can hear the motor kind of whining a little bit as I'm pedaling. This is a pretty steep hill. This is Claremont Avenue in Verona here. I'm a level 2. If I crease it to level 3, I can hear the motor whining. The motor whining a little bit more. Now, if I slow my pedaling down as we're going here, like this, it'll cut off. So the motor will cut off. And this is the importance, just to note that the system should not shut down, and that's what Dennis was telling me had occurred with you, is that on your bike the battery, the whole system would shut down, and that is 100% attributed to the battery that was on that bike. That battery is a warranty replacement battery. The battery management system is programmed incorrectly on it, and it's supposed to be sent back, or have been sent back, to Bentelli. And what Dennis is trying to explain is that the battery management system, BMS, on the battery itself is programmed to think that the battery is fully charged when the actual battery itself is only half charged. So when you were looking at a half charge, you were looking at an empty battery. I hope this makes sense. That's why it was shutting off, is that the battery was at the end. This battery here is new battery, and it's fully working, and the battery management is a completely different battery than what I had put on the bike when you left, and is working. And this should not make an excuse or force you to choose or want to choose a different bike, because they are good bikes. I will still look into the warehouse for a Magnum Premium and a Premium 2 with hydraulic brakes, and provided we've got it, we're going to hand that over to you, with no questions, no problems at all. But just to let you know that there's nothing wrong with this bike. I've been cruising around here now for 2 miles, and switched batteries on the bike. I took a third Bentelli battery off the remaining model there and rode with that, and there's not been any problems at all. It is a battery issue, not a bike issue. So I hope that is good, and hopefully we'll get a Magnum Premium out, if we've got one in a black low step, and we'll have it on the floor tomorrow. Okay? Sorry that this had to happen to you. Really do apologize. I hope you'll find it in your heart to forgive us our flaws, which there are many, but we definitely continue to improve, and we try and do better. And this is just one of those examples.